Hi, good afternoon, dear friends. This is Kasim Appa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVM School, Harinamarakam. Dear students, this is part 13 video for the 7th standard, second chapter, fractions and decimals. Already we have discussed, dear children, especially based on the decimals, addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals, multiplications of decimals. In our today class, we have to discuss about the division of decimals. Basically, how can we divide that decimals? We have studied in our previous class. In our today class, especially these are the exercise problems. Now we have to see first problem, dear children. 4.8 divided by 10, I can write as 4.8 divided by 10. You know that very well. How many zeros are present in denominator part? You have to give decimal point after the that much places of decimals. Here only one zero is there now. From the left side in the denominator, especially in the numerator. From the left side, here one, here after decimal point one, it will be yes. That will, or otherwise you have to do one thing here, dears. Very simple. 4.8 I can write as 48 by 10. 48 by 10. This division as it is divided by 1. This will be here 4.8. We know that very well. 48 point here again we'll getting that same 48 by 10 into here 10 by 1, that will be 1 by 10. Now dear children, this will be 48 divided by 10 tens are 100. Here see how many places are there here, 1 2, that is 0.48 its answer. How much was this answer? 0.48. Now example 3, 0.3 divided by 100 is there now. I will write this as directly, that will be 0.3 divided by 100 as is divided by 100. Now I can write this as 1 2. You don't consider here after the decimal place. You have to consider this how many places, 1 2, that is 0.003, because already one place is there now, then two places. We have to verify here just to see 0.3 I can write as this is answer, there is no doubt at all. Another way, second way is 0.3 I can write this as 0.3 as 3 by 10. Here this division as it is divided by 1000 divided by 100 divided by 1 has is 3 by 10. This division will be into this numerator denominator. I think this will be get the inverse. The 100 by 1 means here 1 by 100. Then yes, that will be 3 ones are 3 here divided by 1000 divided by 1000. 100 to 10 means 1000. That will 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Answer is how much ma? 0.3. Sorry, 0.003. Answer is 0.03. Yes, here also 0.03. Example 3. Directly I will move for this one. Here 0.78 divided by 100 is there, 100. Okay, then what can I do, dears? This one, yes, I will write this as in the denominator how many zeros? 2 zeros. 1 2. You don't consider here decimal point after 2 digits is there now. Sir, I can give point 1 2 here again, that will again 7 by 8. No, you don't consider the digits after the decimal place. You have to give decimal point before the decimal. before the decimal point. Here 1 2 is there na, 1 2. Yes, that is 0.0078 its answer. It's 0.78 divided by 100 means 0.0078. Then example 4 years 26 yes 26.3 divided by 1000 is there na. That answer easily I will show directly. 26.3 divided by 100 I can write as here 1 2 1 2. Its answer is, dear children, 0.263 because how many zeros are there in a denominator? 2 zeros are there na. In the numerator place that much places number after from the left side 1 2. Yes, that is 2 1 2 1 2. Its answer is, dear children, 0.263. If you want see, I will make it 26. Yes, this is the answer. I will solve in another method. Second method 26.3 divided by 100 okay. Then yes, this 26 by, I will write directly, just wait. Yes, I will write it divided by 100 as it is 1000. Okay, 1000. 1 2 3 is there now. 3 means that will be another one 0 is there because 1 2 here 1000 is given in 1000 is given means that 2 places means na, that will be 0. Its answer is 0.123 0.0263. Let us see 26. I can write this as 26.3. Yes, 263 here I can write this as divided by 10 and divided by this one 1000 as it is 1000 divided by 1. Then 263 divided by 10 into inverse of 1000 by 1 by 1000 1 by 1000. Yes, 263 ones are 263. There is no doubt at all. 263 divided by 10 into 1000 means 10,000. Okay, 1 2 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Yes, its answer I told you is 0.0263. Yes, I have written here 0.0263. It's clear. Then question number 5 is question number 5 0.4 divided by 2 or 0.4 divides 2. I can write as directly 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is nothing but 0.4 divided by 2 by 1. Now keep as it is first fraction. 4 by 10 has this 2 by 1 its inverse 1 by 2. Make it cancelled here. This will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. Then this 2 twos are, this will be 2 by 10. 2 by 10 it's meaning that 2 by 10 it means that here 0.2 its answer. Its answer 0.2. Then here 0.35 I can write this as 35 divided by 100 divided by 5 by 1. Then here 35 by 100 keep as it is. 35 by 10 keep as it is, dear children. Then into 1 by 5. Then make it cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. You will left with that 7 by 100. 7 by 100 means you know that 1 2 is 1 2 give point, that is 0.07. Its answer is 0.07. Dear children, I think this is understood you very well. If you have any doubts remaining, so many problems like this, I will send those solutions in the group. Thanking you all. Bye.